You guys already know the routine. I had to burn my sage. Good vibes and energy. Entrepreneurs will work 80 hours so they won't have to work 40. That being said, today's going to be an entrepreneur life vlog. And of course, we're going to start off our day going to work. Then we have our pop-up tonight. I do want to say this. If you are starting a business or have a business, I do not suggest that you quit your job until your business is making the amount of money that you can live off of. So that's why I still work. I still have to work because I have bills. And me and my mom's business is not taking care of everything. So that's why I am still working, and I kind of enjoy doing these videos actually. My shift is finally over, so now it's time to head to Leimert and get ready for this pop-up. Got ice and some drinks and snacks. We're here again. He's setting up. We're here again, of course. This is, I don't know how many days, but we have a goal. I was so tired. I don't know why. I think because of the traffic, but anyway. I'm about to head to the store. I'm gonna leave my camera with my mom because you guys know I don't pay attention to my surroundings when I vlog. Alright.
They give you the definition.
They do on the thing. You read it? Uh-huh. Oh, I thought it was right in the car. I see you read some snacks. It's like a glare. Alright guys, here again. You guys already know the routine. I had to burn my sage. Good vibes and energy. That's all I want today. And that Red Bull is really working, guys, because I was so tired. Oh, man, it's dirty already. I had to put a jacket on because it's cold. She won't be on camera. But we made a few sales. Wait, so we still waiting? You said that? I said that. Oh, I didn't hear you. Okay. Did a few sales, just waiting. It's so cold. This one's fine, or you want the other one? The darker one? I do. Oh, let me get my phone. Mom, give me my phone.